we doing today, guys?
Tie-dye.
Why are we doing that?
Holi.
Because it's Holi. Say happy Holi.
Happy Holi. Happy Holi.
All right. Holi is also called the
Festival of Colors.
a little bit loud.
Festival of Colors.
Oh yes, Festival of Colors. So in that spirit, so we're gonna do a lot of colorful t-shirts by ourselves. What do we have? We have a kit for a tie-dye party, and we have a lot of white t-shirts that we have washed and it's ready to go. Pick 2 colors at least and go to the bathroom and fill it up with water. All right, we're putting on some gloves and getting ready. We put some tissues on the table. We're in full gear. Where's your shark?
I'm
What pattern are you trying to do, Jayanti?
I don't know. I'm just trying.
Anya, what are you up to?
I'm gonna make a swirl with the red and the fifth color. I'm doing a red and blue cat. A green and blue cat.
Oh, that looks good. How do you swirl, Anya? Could you show me a nice big swirl?
So you take the center and you start moving it like this. And then you just move the sides like that.
Ah. You need rubber bands?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Why do we call it to dye? Because it's dying?
No,
Dyeing is color.
because dye means colors.
Water gun!
Alright.
Water gun! I'm doing more green.
Okay. She's got the swirly tied up. And you just soak each quarter in a different color that you like.
Yeah.
Back and front.
After I'm done with the front, then I'm gonna flip it over.
All right. I like Pandu's shirt already.
Yeah.
Nice color combinations.
You want mine?
I love it. You want to try to put yellow up here or a different color?
Different color.
Which one?
I want yellow.
Yeah, you can use that one.
Will it wash away from the washing machine?
Nope. Good question. Can you tell us the story of Holi?
Once upon a time, there was an evil king. The king was very powerful, and he went to one god to ask for immortality almost. So he couldn't be killed by humans, animals. He couldn't be killed in the ocean, in the daytime, in the nighttime, on land, or in air. So that made him feel very powerful. It made him feel very powerful. And then he became very rude, and he wanted everybody to worship him. Well, he wanted the people to give all their money and food and toys and all a lot. But then there was this one little boy who wouldn't, because he wasn't scared of him and he didn't want to. He only prayed for God. So the king got angry. Then he wanted to kill the little boy. And one time he was trying to, and his sister Holika had this one power where she wouldn't get hurt by fire. And the king called his sister to keep him on her lap, and the guards put fire on them both. When that happened, the little boy kept praying, and God saved him, and and Holika, she burned, but the little boy came out unharmed. So then you celebrate Holi to know that good always wins over evil.
Yeah.
Because the king died and the Holika died, the bad guys died. That's how Festival Holi came.
Happy Holi now.
Happy Holi!
Happy Holi! Happy Pangoli!
We'll try. I've never tried that.
Why are you
before.
talking like that?
Because we're making a video. It's the YouTube voice.